You've seen them everywhere. 404, 500 internal server error, 200 okay. By looking at them, you know something went wrong. Alright, but you don't really know what these numbers are and why they exist. Today, let's break it down. Here's the whole concept in a nutshell. When a browser makes a request to the server doesn't directly send back data. It sends back status code as well. This status code is a 3-digit number. This tells you exactly what happened with that request. Think of it like a receipt. The data is the product. The status code is the message printed on the top. Success, failure, well, go somewhere else. Every status code falls into these 5 categories. Let us break down each one of them. Number 1, informational. This code means that your server received the request, but it is still processing it. You rarely see this in the day-to-day work. 100 continue is the most common. This tells the client to keep sending data in the request body. That's it. Informational, not done yet. Success. Believe it or not, this is what you want as a developer. 200 okay. This means your request worked. Here's your data. 201 created. You mostly see this after a successful post request. 204 no content. This also means success, but there was nothing for the server to send back. This is common for delete operations. In a nutshell, this means everything went fine. Third, redirection. This means the resource you were looking for has been moved. The server is basically telling the browser to go somewhere else. Part of these redirection status codes are: number 1, 301 moved permanently. This means this URL is gone. Use the new one from now on. Fun fact, search engines update their indexes when they see this status code. 302 found, temporarily redirected, come back here next time. This is basically like saying OS 3 kal aana. Next one, 304 not modified. This means your browser already has a cached version of this. You don't need to download it again. So this in a nutshell means look elsewhere. It's time to play the blame game now. The next one coming up, client errors. This is where you made the mistake, not the server. The status codes in these are: number 1, 400 bad request. The server couldn't understand what you just sent. It might be malformed JSON, missing fields. Well, check your request, dude. Number 2, 401 unauthorized. This means you need to log in first. No credentials, no access. Next one coming up, 403 forbidden. This means you are logged in, but you don't have permissions to access some of the resources. Yeah, right. Gajab bejjati. This is different from 401. Don't get confused. Here comes everybody's favorite, 404 not found. This basically means the resource you're looking for does not exist. Full stop. This can be a wrong URL, a deleted page, or even a typo. Next one, 429 too many requests. This is where the server tells the browser, you've hit the rate limit. Slow it down now. So this in a nutshell means the problem is at your end. Okay, enough of the my blame game. Let's blame it on the server now, shall we? The server errors. This is where the server made a mistake, and I'm not kidding. The status code inside this category include 500 internal server error. This means that something broke on the server. This is the catch-all for unexpected failures on the server side. Next one coming up, 402 bad gateway. This means the server got a bad response from another server who it was talking to, internally or externally. 503 service unavailable. This means the server could be down or it can be overloaded. Well, many requests. It's time to try again later. This basically means it's not your fault, something went wrong on their end. Let's wrap this up. Status codes aren't just random numbers. They are a precise, a well-calculated, agreed upon language between clients and servers. 5 categories, each with a clear meaning. Working fine, success, redirection, client-side errors, and server-side errors. That was all for today. See you in the next one.